Frozen peach dessert surprise recipe. This is a great recipe for ice cream lovers. It will be a good recipe for the first batch of fresh peaches. It is also a good recipe for the family get-together, or just a lazy hot summer afternoon. I am a peach fan, and when I have a recipe that calls for the fresh juicy peach, you will see it on this website. I hope that you enjoy this wonderful peach recipe. Frozen summer peach ice cream surprise recipe. 1½ cups of crushed crumbs vanilla wafers, divided. 2½ cups sliced fresh peaches, or frozen peaches if they are out of season. Fresh peaches work the very best. 1/2 cup sugar. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. 1/2 tablespoon of a really good vanilla bean paste. 1 cup of softened Bluebell homemade vanilla ice cream if it is available. If not, use a very good store brand in your area. If you have your own ice cream make, you can make your own vanilla ice cream and use it if you prefer. This is an easy to make recipe, so we are using a store-bought ice cream. First, you will spread half of the vanilla wafer crumbs in the bottom of an 8 or 9-inch baking dish. In a food processor or a blender, you will add the peaches, sugar, lemon juice and the vanilla bean paste. You will run the blender or food processor for about a minute. You will stop the blender at least once to scrape down the sides to make sure you get all of the peaches and sugar blended until it is a smooth texture. You will then pour the peach and sugar mixture into a large bowl, and gently fold in ice cream. You will then pour over crust and sprinkle any remaining cookie crumbs on top of the peach dessert. You will then cover with plastic wrap and freeze for about 8 hours until good and frozen. When you are ready to serve this peach dessert, you will then remove it from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for at least 15 minutes before serving. You should be able to get about 8 servings from this dessert, and there should be 8 happy people after trying this easy-to-make peach dessert. Chef Shelley Pogue, a cum laude, Le Cordon Bleu graduate and executive research and development chef, for vertical sales and marketing, San Ramon, CA. Shelley is also the desserts editor for Bella. Please my channel subscribe.